What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are back with the W8 Passat. We're going to be changing out these headlights here to another pair that I had out of the blue Passat. This job is a lot more in-depth than a usual headlight disassemble and reassemble. So in these cars, you have to take off the bumper and a bit of the air intake to get into the bolts because everything is crammed into this engine bay. To do this job, basically the grill needs to come out again with the T30s, and then you have your T25s here and here. There's a bolt underneath here. Usually these just kind of, you can lift them up like that. Hidden down below there is a bolt down inside, so I will leave that off. For me, I'm going to be taking off the hood latch and pulling it back so I can get off that. And then inside the fenders here, I believe there's you got to turn the wheel, but there's 3 bolts going all the way up on both sides. And then when you go into the bumper itself, there is 4 on the bottom underneath the grill, and I believe you have to take off some kind of bracket in the front underneath from the research I've done. So it's kind of like a tedious, so you have to take off a lot of bolts, make sure the bolts go always. Mine's gonna be a little different than a traditional because I have HID high beams in mine. So there's still the projector, HID from factory with the self-leveling system, and that's what I'm replacing these ones with, is basically the same ones. It's gonna be very tedious, very long process. A lot of work just to pull the headlights out. Again, there's a lot of trim missing on mine, so it might be more in depth for the other users. You might have like the cover right here for the reservoir that you need to take off, and there's probably a lot more to do compared to, like, let's say if you're doing a V6 or a 1.8T. Without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into this. It's a lot of undoing. The tools that I'm gonna be using for this is very simple. Screwdriver, ratchet screwdriver, 3 Torx, flathead screwdriver, regular screwdriver, because one of these is an OEM, and I'll be using a 10 mil to take off the brackets, the 2 bolts here, as we saw in the last video. And if you haven't seen the grill removal video, please check out somewhere up above here for that link there, and I hope you guys enjoy. Well, let's go. Okay, so now we have the headlights back in, and because I had to change out the HIDs and the camera died, so it didn't make sense to actually record this. But now they're placed in, they're not actually screwed in. And they work nicely. That is awesome. So now we can just put everything back together in one big friggin' montage. So let's get to it. Okay, now we are all done. As you can see, the hood is shut. We are complete. The lights, they don't look too bad. Like, I still need to take a headlight repair kit to both of them and get that all figured out somehow, which I will save for another video and show you guys how to do that, how to make your headlights quote unquote shine like new with only a $10 headlight kit. Fingers crossed, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to get into the next one to show you guys what else we can do to this Passat. But you guys know what to do. Like, comment down below. If you haven't already, smash that bell notification. Keep up to date on all future Valiant and W8 content. Remember guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Valiant is out.